Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check active subscriptions on iPhone. Before I start the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is go to your App Store, open App Store, click on the top right to open up your profile, and then you have redeem gift card or code, send gift card, add funds to Apple ID, purchase subscriptions. Now what interests you is these subscriptions. If you tap on that, it's going to give you everything that you have active and inactive. As you can see, only active subscription I have is Crunchyroll, and I used to have Strong, Spendy, Snapchat and this paired app. And that's it. That's how you check. You can always click on them to see more information, cancel it, update payment, whatever it's asking you, or you can reactivate the old ones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you see having some issues, let me know what was the problem in the comments down below and I'll do my best to help you out.